It is a blessing to be awake this particular morning, and the abundance of God has provided us with this free gift of life that we are gathered here to get done with this question concerning a topic called logarithms. And I'm going to write down the question and be able to get in the course of doing it. So the question reads 3. Let me use a different pen. 3 log 5 plus log x squared. The answer must be equal to log 1 over 125. So this is the question you're actually going to do, and that question is here. That is question number 12. So you're told 3 log 5 plus log x squared should be equal to log 1 over 125. So we can now proceed, and if you look at the laws of logarithms, you're always told that whenever a coefficient like 3 tends to appear just at this point where there's this log, then you're supposed to take it back to this number that appears after this log so that it tends to actually become a power. That is to say, if someone says a log b, that can get written as log b raised to a. So I'll apply the same concept here. So I'll have log 5, then this 3 is going to be taken to this other end to become a power. Look at that. So then I can say plus log x squared. The answer must be equal to log 1 over 125. Now we are going to actually employ another law of logarithms that says log a plus log b. The answer must be equal to log into brackets a times b. In other words, this is log a plus log b. Then that means you can factorize out log because log is common. I've done that. Then into a, then I'll write down a, then positive changes to multiplication. Then that means log into a, then times b, because log has been factorized out. I'll apply the same concept here. So I'm going to have log 5 raised to 3, that is 125. That means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. Then plus log x squared. The answer is equal to log 1 over 125. So let me combine these two logs. So I can say log is factorized out, then into 125 multiplied by x squared. The answer must be equal to log 1 over 125. So there's log, then there's log. What happens? I'm going to drop this. So I'll end up having 125x squared is equals to 1 over 125. I'll actually remove this denominator by doing what? By multiplying all through by 125 so that I can be able to actually end up having this. So times 125, okay, then times 125, so that this and this will disappear. So 125 times 125, 125 times 125, where is my calculator? So 125 times 125, that translates into 15,625. So I'll have here. So 15,625 x squared is equal to 1. Correct. So I divide both sides by 15,625. Okay, correct. Then again here 15,625. So this and this will disappear. Okay, that is it. Yeah, that is it. Let me move this a little bit. Okay, so that my x, of course, I need to introduce square root on both sides, so that my x should be equal to 1 over 125. That becomes now my final answer in as far as this question is concerned. 1 over 125. That becomes my answer. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 15,625 is 125. So that becomes the value of x.